Ramadan is a sacred month in the Islamic calendar, revered for its profound spiritual significance. During this time, Muslims around the world observe fasting from dawn until sunset, abstaining from food, drink, and other physical needs. The act of fasting is not only a demonstration of self-discipline, but also an opportunity for reflection, compassion, and personal growth. Ramadan encourages believers to strengthen their connection with God, seek forgiveness, and cultivate a sense of gratitude. It serves as a period for deep introspection and renewal of faith within the Islamic tradition. Observing Ramadan offers a range of physical, mental, and social benefits. The practice of fasting helps improve self-discipline, as individuals learn to control their desires and focus on personal growth. Mentally, Ramadan encourages reflection and mindfulness, fostering a deeper sense of empathy for others who may be less fortunate. Socially, the shared experience of fasting and communal prayers strengthens bonds within families and communities, creating a supportive environment. Together, these benefits contribute to a holistic sense of well-being during the holy month. As Ramadan 2026 approaches, Muslims around the world are looking for ways to transition from a month of just fasting to a month of transformative spiritual growth. Balancing work, family, and worship can be challenging, which is why having a structured roadmap is essential. The ultimate 30-day Ramadan planner and journal by Islamic thought has emerged as the premier tool for those seeking a balance of wisdom and peace this year. Why this planner is the choice for Ramadan 2026. Unlike standard calendars, this planner is built on the pillars of spiritual productivity. It doesn't just track your time, it tracks your heart's journey. By integrating daily reflections with practical goal setting, it ensures that no day of this holy month goes to waste.